Hey, what's happening? Barnaby here with Ego. Checking out the folks at Acme Tools in Grand Forks, North Dakota with my awesome Ego tools. You know, the big thing about Ego is we're 56-volt battery power, all the power and performance of gas, but a lot of people just don't believe that. So we thought we'd track down an actual commercial crew, and what a coincidence! Greg's Lawn Care. So you're using a Shield, is that? Or an Echo? Okay, so what I want to do is I want you to try our Ego 56-volt battery powered string tiller and let me know what you think. So give that a whirl and I'll check back in with you in just a second, okay? Totally. How's it feel in your hand?
It's nice. A lot lighter, for sure. I also like how low it got to the ground. Like, not as heavy as towards the ground as the other ones.
Right, so quiet, easy to use. What about the power?
Just as good, if not better. And it's quieter, so it's...
So what do you say to your boss?
A couple of Egos.
Right.
Yeah.
Save the ears, save the back, and you won't come home stinking like gas, right?
Exactly.
It's interesting. A lot of people, they just can't make the jump from gas to battery power. They're like, I don't know. But I mean, now you've tried it. What do you say to those people?
Well, like you said, don't smell like gas at the end of the day. And it's going to work just as good, if not better. It's probably going to last longer with different, keeping up with it. And I just like it. Quicker, awesome. Easier, and lighter.
All right, speaking of lighter, this is our 600 CFM backpack blower, right? And so again, I think the hallmark on this bad boy for you is going to be the quiet, certainly.
Yeah.
Right? And then, how's that feel on your back?
Light, nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, light it up. I'm going to tell you quickly on the controls here. You got to put these two right here. This is going to be high, low, and then this is unleashing the hounds, right?
Right.
So. So, right off the bat, what I'm noticing is you're not making the mistake most people make, and that is they lay on the turbo button. You figured out that it has plenty of power, even not at maximum, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me about the experience.
I like how mobile it is around here. Ones we use kind of have another restrictor.
Yeah.
I like how it's not always moving or going at the same time. Like, so there's times you can walk without it just blowing in your ears. It's kind of like the other one, the trimmer. It's quiet, a lot quieter. And it's just as powerful,
So again, the battery versus gas conundrum for people. Everybody thinks they're sacrificing something if they don't have gas. Is that true if you go battery power?
No, it's going to be just as good. And I've had gas ones that's leaked on me, and I smell the rest of the day too. So.
Oh yeah, and I mean your hearing is important.
Yeah, this is a lot better too.
Yeah.
I think another thing that I said earlier was, it's not always going to, like,
blah 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 blah.
You can just stop it, walk a little bit if there's no more grass, and just get it back up without having to yank it.
Okay, that's awesome. Hey, you want to try the mower real quick?
Sure.
So just give it a little whirl and give me your professional opinion of what you think about this. You simply push the button, hold it down, pull the bar, and you start. And it's mowing.
I'm just going to go on the side here.
Okay, so push the button, hold it down, pull the bar, there you go. What are you thinking?
A lot later again,
Right.
which I'm liking. A lot quieter again.
And I think just for the, you're in an apartment complex right now. You probably have people giving you the stink eye all the time going, oh, here they come again, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and so, I mean, you're pretty much operating under the radar here.
Yeah, this would be, there's times I feel bad when we're starting at 7:30 a.m. This would be a lot better if it was a lot quieter.
Yeah. Well, and you know, again, I was thinking about your boss, unless you're Greg.
I'm not
Greg's
Greg.
yeah. But, you know, you could pitch him on the idea of ego as, hey, you know what, we can stretch our work day. We can start earlier, work later, you know, just have maybe quiet zone crews.
Yeah, I agree with that. And it would be a lot less hard on the body with all three of these. A lot lighter.
Right. Well, even now, as we hear that gas mower in the background, we have to raise our voices. We can have a conversation over this, right?
Yeah.
All right. You want to see a quick magic trick?
Sure.
All right, watch this. End of the day, when you're done, you simply take this like this. That's how it stacks up, brother.
That's nice.
Isn't that amazing? So you can change the blade. This has got a deck that will take a pounding. We actually bring a sledgehammer on the road with us sometimes. You can pound it with that. No problem at all. Again, landscaper tough.
Yeah.
All righty, man.
That's nice.
Well, hey, thanks so much. I really appreciate it.
No problem.